Hi Cancer, welcome to your reading. I'll be doing a reading for the coming full moon, which is on the 27th of February, happening in the sign of Virgo. Full moons help us release and let go and set ourselves free from any patterns that we have been repeating in our lives over and over again. This is the best time to let go of any relationships that you think no longer belongs to you and are no longer helping you evolve. If anything that's pulling your energy down, this is the best time to set that free. We'll be pulling out cards from 2 oracle decks and 3 cards from tarot. Out of the 2 oracle, one is to help you understand which chakra in your body needs cleansing, needs healing. Alright, Cancer, this is for you. Yin, going within, meditation. Let's see which chakra in your body needs cleansing. Alright, you get the Agnya Chakra, which is the third eye. Agnya Chakra is about intuition. Meditation is going to help you open to your intuition, spending time with yourself, listening to your inner voice. That is going to help you become more intuitive and aligned. It'll help you see the way forward, the right way forward. It's not going to be a logical reasoning here. It's going to be that gut feeling of yours. Let's see. 3 cards from tarot. I'll tell you the placement when I draw the cards. Cancer, take a deep breath and allow any resistance, anything that you're holding on to, completely surrender all those. Surrender to the divine consciousness. Surrender to the feeling of oneness. Feel the love, breathe in the love, the peace, harmony. Be grateful for all that you've had and all that you currently have. Breathe out any tension, stress, anxiety. Alright. That's it for Cancer. Let's see. First card we'll be drawing is what do I need to release? There is definitely some letting go energy here. 6 of Swords. Time to move away from mind. Swords is about thoughts. Swords are about thoughts. What do I need to release? How do I release it? How do I release it? You have the Sun card here. How about taking that sun bath? Cancerians, the sun bath, allow yourself to be fully open to receiving. This is an energy of receiving things rather than taking action or to go and achieve something. It's about allowing things to come in. That's the same energy as the yin energy. It's you are without attachments, you are willing to do your work and surrendering it to the universe. What should I focus on? 6 of Pentacles. Focus on bringing in balance. Let's see. Let's clarify the 6 of Swords here, please. For Cancer. Clarify 6 of Swords, please. Death. Wow. What transformative energy do we have here? definitely I'm putting an end to something. Wow, you have the 10 of swords. Cancer, it's clearly putting an end to your mindset, to your thinking, to your logic, your practicality, your mentality. It's a lot of going within energy. As a child, or what is it that makes you so passionate about just being you? Wow, so amazed with the ending cards here. It's about putting an end to your mind, to your thoughts clearly. How can you do that? By standing in your true self. What is it that you like to do? What makes you happy? Keep doing that over and over again. And spend time with yourself. Spend time in solitude. That will help you. What should I focus on? The balance, the yin and the yang. Balance of energies in your life. You may have taken action in the past, a lot of action in the past. Some of you may be feeling overworked. It's time to give yourself the rest that you deserve. And it's due, it's really due. You feel tired after a journey, give yourself that rest. I do think that you have evolved. Some experiences in your life has taught you, has been great learning experiences. All right, Cancer, that's the message I have for you guys. I'll come back with your reading for the first week of March on the 20. Yes, I'm not sure of the date, but let me tell you, the next week on Thursday, I'll be posting water signs. All right. Cancerians, until then, see you soon. Bye bye, guys.